Good morning to all. Metallic bonding. Metallic bonding exists in metals. We are familiar, metals are ready to lose electrons and becomes positive ions. Right. Look at this case. Metals are ready to lose electrons and become positive ions, and the electrons, the loose electrons, the one which lost from the metal atom, they are embedded there, right? And this delocalized electrons are there and the metal ions are embedded in it. That means you can see there is a sea of electrons, because when a metal atom loses electrons, it becomes positive ions, and the free electrons and the delocalized electron is look like a sea of electrons, and the positive ions, metal ions, are embedded in it. And then there is a force of electrostatic force of attraction between this positive ion and the negative ion, and there will be a bond form, and that bond is said to be metallic bonding. When the metal atom loses outer electrons, they form a giant positive ion, a giant lattice of positive ions. Therefore, metal consists of positive ions embedded in a sea of moving electrons. The negatively charged electrons attract all the positive metal ions and form a bond between this positive metal ion and the negative electrons, that is sea of electrons. And that force of attraction is said to be metallic bond. Now, we will discuss about properties of metals. They conduct electricity. In metallic bond, the positive metal ion embedded in a sea of delocalized electrons. Presence of this delocalized electrons, metals conduct electricity. Metals conduct electricity due to mobile electrons within the metal structure. They are malleable and ductile. What is malleability and ductility? When you take a metal, you can hammer and make into sheet form, like gold, silver. You can hammer and change into a thin sheet form. That phenomena is called a malleability. When you pull out to thin wires, drawn into thin wires, that process, that phenomena is called a ductility. Metals are malleable and ductile. Malleable means that metals can be bent or hammered into different shapes. Ductile means metals can be pulled out into wires. In metallic bond, the positive metal atoms are embedded in a sea of electrons, delocalized electrons, and there is a strong force of attraction between this positive and sea of electrons. Because of that, there is a strong force of attraction between positive metal ion and the sea of electrons, delocalized electrons. There is a strong force of attraction exists. Metals have high melting and boiling point. In the case of metals, they are closely packed. Because of the closely packed arrangement in a regular manner, they are closely packed. Metals have high densities. The properties of metals: metals are shining, they are ductile, they are malleable, they are good conductors of electricity, high melting and boiling point, they possess high density. These are the properties of metals. Thank you.